So for today, Windy City Pranks, we're gonna film soundboard prank. Hopefully you like it.
Even if I come with a book bag, somebody gotta check me.
What's up, you guys? It's your cameraman Jackson, and today I'm just asking you guys to hit the video up to 10 likes. I know you guys can do it. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe and share with your friends and favorite the video, and leave a comment about what you guys want us to do next. Next video, we will be having a really funny clip for you guys, so stay tuned for that. I think you'll really like it. Alright, talk to you guys later.